Hello, grade 2, how are you? Our lesson today is about forces. Do you know what can forces do? Or do you know what are forces? Forces simply are the push and pull. Here is the pull. It's to move something towards us. And the push is to move something away from us. Pushing or pulling an object means you apply force on it. Like here, it's pulling. Another examples for pulling. Here he is pushing the box. And here is examples for pushing. Force can do many things such as make the object start or stop moving. Here, this force can do many things such as make the object start or stop moving. The player here will stop the ball from moving. You can also change the direction of movement. You can change the speed of an object to make it go faster or slower. You can also change the shape of an object by pulling or pushing. Force depends on the weight. Light objects need less force than the heavy object. Here an object with 4 grams weight, 18 grams, 10 grams. The less weighted object, which is 4 grams, needs less force, 3 Newton. The 18 grams, which is the heaviest object, needs the most force, which is 7 newtons. We measure the force using the force meter. It's an instrument used to measure the size of a force. But what is the unit of measuring? It's called Newton, after the famous scientist who discovered the force, Sir Isaac Newton. Here are examples for trying the force meter to know the size of force needed to pull this box or pull this box. Now friction. Friction is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces are in contact. Friction depends on the type of surface. In A, the surface is snow. Is it smooth or rough? It's smooth, right. And in B, the surface is the grass. Is it smooth or rough? Rough. The rough surface, like in picture B, has a greater friction than the smooth one. The friction direction will be on the opposite direction of the force. Like if you are pushing the box for the left, the friction will be for the right. So friction can make the object move slower or stop it at all. It is useful in the cars to stop them or slow them down.